Welcome to our channel. Listen, speak and learn English.
It's been so long since I cooked for my family. Lenka is going to love this breakfast. I made her favorite dish.
Mom, breakfast was amazing. It's been ages since I had such a delicious meal.
Thank you, dear. I'm so glad you liked it.
Mom, I need to rush. I'm getting late for work. There's so much I want to talk to you about. I'll come home a little early today and we'll catch up.
Sounds good, sweetie. I'm not going anywhere. I'll be right here. Come home safely and we'll have a nice chat. I want to talk to you about Lenka.
What is it?
She has grown up now. We should start thinking about her marriage.
Do you think she's ready?
Yes, I believe so. That's why I've been looking for a good match.
Oh, have you found someone?
Yes, I met a nice young man from a good family. He lives in America and owns several companies.
Really? Who is he?
His name is Ryan.
That sounds promising. Have you spoken to Lenka about this?
Not yet. I wanted to discuss it with you first. The boy is coming tonight to meet us.
Tonight? That's quite sudden. Does Lenka know?
No, I'll talk to her now. I hope she'll be okay with it.
We shouldn't pressure her. Let's see what she thinks.
Of course, I'll make sure she's comfortable with this.
All right, let's meet him and decide.
Oh no, why is my head spinning? I have such a terrible headache. Maybe it's because of last night's party. I need to take some medicine or it won't get better.
Did you have any trouble finding the house?
No, not at all.
Who all are there in your family?
My mom, dad, me, and my younger sister.
Look, Lenka has arrived. Come, dear, meet him. He is Ryan.
Hello, Ryan.
Hi, Lenka, nice to meet you.
He lives in America. When I was in America, he and his family took care of me and helped me too.
That's so kind of you. Please have a seat.
Look at them. They're perfect for each other. I really like Ryan, and I truly believe he's the right match for our daughter, Lenka.
What, Mom? You're already planning my future? Ryan and I are just talking.
But, dear, Ryan is such a wonderful boy. He comes from a very wealthy and respectable family. You won't have to struggle at all.
Mom, I appreciate your concern, but no means no. I have my own goals to achieve.
Lenka, is there someone else you like?
Mom, this isn't about someone else. It's about me wanting to live life on my terms.
Ryan truly likes you, and he came here just for you.
What, Mom? Just because someone likes me, does that mean I have to marry him?
No, dear, that's not what I meant.
What's going on here? If Lenka doesn't want to think about marriage and wants to focus on her career, that's not a bad thing. Let her chase her dreams.
But what about her future?
Her future will be what she makes of it. Let's trust her to make the right choices.
Thank you, Dad. That means a lot to me.
We should go now. Ryan must be waiting.
They don't seem to understand, but I'll find a way. I'm her mother, and her happiness means everything to me.
What am I hearing? Is this true? Lenka and Ryan? No, this can't be happening. But Lenka's mother has made a firm decision. Lenka will marry Ryan. Is this the right choice? Will Lenka accept it, or will she resist? And what about Ryan? Does he truly love her, or is there another twist waiting to unfold? What happens next? One thing is certain. It's going to be interesting and full of suspense. New twists, unexpected turns, and intense moments await. Don't miss the next episode and the ones to come. There's so much more to uncover. Stay tuned, because the real story is just beginning. If you enjoyed this episode, drop a comment and let us know your thoughts. And don't forget to support us by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Bye-bye. See you in the next episode.